Today we're looking at a unique item. I'll just make a quick video here. I just want to show you a little bit about this light bulb. This is a little neon light bulb. Now, if you have working on a project or you're working on, let's say, a clock radio or an old-fashioned clock or something that uses a neon light bulb. This is an old neon light bulb, probably from the 70s. And you can see here, it's kind of worn out. A lot of the gas is leaked out of it and it just keeps flickering and it doesn't work correctly. So what do? You go online and you find these new ones right here in the bag. Is a brand new set right here. They come in different sizes, different pack sizes. I just want to give you, I want to show you what they look like. So that way you know when you're shopping online. This is a pack of 10. This is how they come in a little bag. And this is the exact same bulb actually, which is really weird. From like this technology is quite old compared to the LEDs. But if you're looking for that specific glow, and this is really what you need. This is the bulb right here. You can see the two elements left and right of it. And the gas will light up, and that's how you get that neon light. Very interesting how that works. It's a very cool chain reaction. This is 65 to 120 volt AC. Okay, not DC, but AC, guys. 1.90 milliamp, 18 millimeters long in length total. And you most likely would have to put a transistor in the middle here to bring down the voltage. You have one here in the old one. You can see here. I want to show you that, as you can see. This is from the 70s, and this just started failing now. That's a long time. These bulbs last forever. They stay on, and they stay on. They always run. But if you need to replace them, if you have an old flip clock radio, or if you're doing a project that needs a neon light bulb, this is the one you would want. Now, you can put multiple resistors on here. You can change the value of the brightness. You can have a dimmer. You can have a little bit brighter. You can work within that range. Yeah, you don't want to go too hot with these. And you have to get the resistors as well. So go ahead, check these out. I think you're going to really like these quite a bit. They work really well, and I'm really happy. The way they're made, the quality is fantastic. You can just see here, the leads are really clean. The bulbs came in good condition. A couple were twisted a little bit in the package, but that's to be probably expected during handling. Like this one here, a little bent, but you just straighten these right out. You're gonna probably trim and cut these anyway, and then shrink wrap them with tubing and all that kind of stuff. You know what I'm talking about. But I just wanted to make a quick video and just show you a little bit about these bulbs. They are available, which is amazing after all these years, especially with LED technology. Have the old-fashioned neon. You get that special light. You know what I'm talking about, that special light with these neon lights you just can't really get anywhere else. So I'm definitely going to recommend these guys. Go ahead and shop. I hope I brought you some value. If I did, don't forget to follow the channel for more. Appreciate your time as always. Hope you enjoyed this quick review about this really cool neon, old and new, and the technology really hasn't changed much at all, which is pretty crazy, but that's the way it goes. I love it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope I brought you some value. Follow, like, and share. Till the next one.